Hello guys, so in this video I want to show you how to create your logo. So all you have to do is just use your Canva web. Make sure that like you have the premium. If you don't have, you can DM me. I have it. I said it. Or you can also use the free version, but I prefer the premium. So come to here, leave it as pixels, P and X, and press 500 by 500 like this. Then you do it again. Then press this create new design and wait. Let's wait. So it has finished ready. So already I have the type of design that I want to do. So for you, you have to know what you want to design the logo for, the brand or something you get, like your brand name and everything. You have to like know it. I want to design for a brand now. So I'll come to this place. In this place, I just search for this. So that's what I want to do. See the money. You can press this C on. It will appear many type of money. You see it's money many type. It depends on what you want to do. So mine, I'll use this one. It's for my sample, and I'll come to here. I'll change the color to red. So that's the color I'm working on. And let me see. I'll duplicate it like this down, take it down, move it, and I'll come back to the color again. I'll make it darker. So all you want to, if you want to like change it, change this color or make it darker, more darker than this, you should just come to this place, color. See color here, press it, and press here. See this place, press it. So you see this, you now be changing the color. It can change back maybe to another color. You see, you see, actually it's changing. The color is changing. You see our color. This one is more darker than this, so we are good to go. I'll increase this size again. Carry this one. See, I'll do like this. Sorry. I'll increase again. I'll touch this place. See this place down. So move. So you see, I'll now put it inside so that it will be inside. I'll now go and change the color. My color onto here. Color. Change it to green color. You see this green color? I'll make it greenish, more darker. So I have the color that I want to. It's actually Nigerian flag I want to put there. Let me see how the color of the flag is. The Is it dark or light green? Let's see. Let's check it on. See it's dark green. Done. So we are going to our design dark. See the color dark. So let's say let's calm down. Let's check this one is and let's continue. Let's continue. Let's displace. And this one is more darker than the Nigerian flag. So let's take it off. And this one is okay. This one I think is okay. So let's come to this position. Make it center. Center. Leave this one here. So okay. So we are going back to this S. So the brand, the company that I want to work this logo for, like their name is very long, so I have to abbreviate the name in order to put it inside my design. So let me check the name first to be sure. Red Crescent Humanitarian Aid Initiative. So I'll abbreviate the name. So how do I even do? So let's try this one. So come to this front to this place. Let's change it. Let's try this one, lace pattern. I love it. So let's reduce the lace size. Now come to these elements. We are not doing anything here. We now come to here, curve, so that we can put it inside the mold. Let's see. Let's reduce. Let's take it. Let's see here whether we can increase or no, we have to leave this one. So let's reduce. Let's change the color. Our color, let's see. Come to here, press white. Let's see it like this. Actually, this is good. I think it's good. Let me increase this one actually because I want to add this text. I want to add the size. So let's make it. Let's go back and see. want these things to go around the center. So I think it's good like this. So we are going to put our text down. Let's start with this red crescent. Let's take it down. So let's come to font. Let's try this one. It will overlap. This one is okay. Let's change this color to red color and see what will happen. And let's come on subheading so that it will be smaller than the upper humanitarian. Aid. Initiative. So this one is okay. Let's make it green and see. I think this is good. Let's change the font. This font is good. Let's increase this size. Let's see whether it's centralized or not. Let's center it. And the other one, let's center it. So I think we are good to go. Let's bring this one. Let's crescent humanitarian aid initiatives. I think this is good and okay. So you see the coloring, everything is actually good. So we are good to go. We are just going to download from here. Let's change it to JPG, best for sharing. You see, best for sharing. Let's press and increase the quality. Increase 100. Let's press download. download. So we are done with our logo design. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.